Yeah. Sona ma'am, I will take here. Net to prop. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, all of you audible voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next topic, types of communication skills. Mean how they will maintain, how they will improve of the communication skills in the particular each person. Now we will discuss how to they will improve of the communication skills like a types wise. Here main 4 types of communication skills. In first one intrapersonal and second one interpersonal. In interpersonal also including 2 subtypes like a focused interaction and focus interaction, and third one non-verbal communication, and fourth one mass communication. Here first one intrapersonal communication skills, like intrapersonal means like one way communication, only self communication. Means self communication is one person only creating up the ideas, thoughts, how to will maintain a communication, how to will do the meditation, this and all one way only they will selfly only they will maintaining of the communication. You know now one way communication, two way communication.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
the same like here also. Intrapersonal means one way and interpersonal communication is two way. Here now we'll discuss first one intrapersonal. Here intrapersonal communication skills implies individual reflection, contemplation and meditation. Means implies means ideas, thoughts, individual reflection means individually they want that self only they will motivate of the selfly, and contemplation means particular ideas, their ideas they will only follow up the selfly. And meditation means whenever doing of the that meditation automatic the mind is body will relaxation, they will improve of the in related communication skills in the meditation time. That is a intrapersonal communication skills. And next point, according to the expert, this type of communication encompasses communicating. Encompasses means particular situation communication with the divine and with spirit in the form of prayers and rites and rituals. Means spiritually they will pray to the gods, like individually selfly they only pray to the gods. And rites and rituals, rites means they will think selfly this is a correct, this is a wrong, and rituals means we are doing whatever doing of the particular anything that is a correct or not, there also they will only selfly only they will think. That is a main intrapersonal like a one way communication. And main here 1 minute. Okay, next to interpersonal communication like a two-way communication. See, intra means only one person one way, inter means main two persons, whoever information sharing to the another person, that is a two-way communication. Like this called as one more name, interpersonal communication. How you will improve of the communication skills in this type? This is a direct, this communication is one of the direct and face-to-face communication that occurs between two persons. Because of why direct and face-to-face means here two persons is there. That's why they will maintaining of the face-to-face communication and direct communication. That is called as main interpersonal. And it is essentially dialogue or a conversation between two or more people. Whatever dialogue, what a particular topic whatever content matter, you can convert to the another person. See, main dialogue only selfly only, you can selfly only you are telling of the dialogue means that is a one-way communication. The dialogue and conversation of the whatever message topic related to the one person to another, otherwise two peoples to or more peoples, like that dialogue and whatever converting means that is a interpersonal communication. That's why in interpersonal communication peoples also whatever they convert into the two or more peoples. And it is a personal and direct as well as intimate and permits maximum interaction through words and gestures. Whatever they want, initially they want to maintain of the communication skills means that time they're using of the main words and gestures. Words means particular words, like a particular this word only I will explain to the another person. Otherwise any symbols, I means related whatever you want to send message, that related message only you can keep up the symbols, otherwise you can write in the board. And gestures means position, this is a position, whatever you maintaining of the position, that also they will see of in the direct communication time. That's why you can show they're maintaining of the good relation in the between two people. That time you can show of the body movements. Example, how dance body movement, they're doing dance movement means that that is a dance movement. That time that is one of the communication, whenever doing of the dance, that related person, the persons, that time your audience receiving of the dance step, that is a communication of the between dancer and between dancer and audience. Here also whatever face to face communication people, they will observe of the gestures of the body and words, how they will speaking to the with me, like that they will observe in the face to face communication. And interpersonal communication main dividing two: focus interaction and focus interaction. In a inter two-way communication time, like interpersonal communication time, they're focusing and unfocusing. Focus means face to face, you can focus total overall what's going on the surrounding you, that time easily you can focus of the, that is one of the focus of interaction. Unfocus means you can't see of the anything near of your surrounding, but you are listening of the surrounding people's words, that is a unfocused. See example I will tell. Focus means once in online class I am showing up the my face and explaining about particular topic means you also focusing up the my face and my class, that is a focusing. Unfocus means I won't show up the my face, yours also not focusing to the my face, just you are listening of the my words, that is a unfocus. You're not focusing to the my face, just you listening of the my class, that is a unfocus. And focus means whenever focusing to the my face and listening of the my class means that is a focused. Here this primarily results from an actual encounter between two persons. Main this focus is a going on interaction with the between two persons, because of focusing na, that's why this going up the between two persons. This implies like a thoughts, these thoughts two persons involved are completely aware of the communicating happening between them. Whatever between them, the two between two peoples whatever happening means, but they will complete of the particular work. Example, in case I am giving any I am giving work for A section and D section, because you are now in case you don't know how to will do, but your A section D section combining your planningly your complete of the my work, like this having of the focusly your interestly showing up in the work time. That's why between A and D they will complete of the work. That's why here also whoever main two persons focusing communication means that time automatic they will complete of the particular work whatever, that is a focus, because of their focusly interestingly involving that's why they will complete. And next unfocused, this occur when one simply observe or listen to persons with whom one is not conversing, mean this person not focusing of the another person faces, only simply observing, only listening. Observing just observing, just listening, they're not focusing to the whoever not converting and whoever converting message, that people's nobody will focus to the that faces, only they will observe, only they're listening of the whatever they're converting. And this usually occurs at stations. Main this unfocused where you will see means main railway station, bus stops, as well as on the street and restaurant. I mean, you go in case by food purpose, you going restaurant means you only focus into the another people's. No, for going food purpose only, you are going and sitting, eating and coming, just observing to the all and coming, but you are not focusing to the anyone. That's why main restaurant area, bus stop area, railway station, and street areas, nobody will focus nobody will focus to the these places. Like this example in the unfocused interaction. Next, non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means this include aspects such as a body language. How to you can maintain the communication skills means non-verbal. Just body language, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, etc. But not speaking. Just body language you can see, gestures, position, and facial expressions, eye contact only. This all only improving of the non-verbal communication skills. Verbal communication means by speaking only, and which also become a part of the communicating process. This non-verbal communication skills also is one of the communicating process, and as well as written and typed modes of communication. Different written communication is there, and different modes of, like a different means oral communication, written communication, verbal communication, informal, non-formal, different modes of communication having into the non-verbal communications. Next, mass communication. See, mass communication means like a mass media, television, videos, puppets, like this you showing example dances, any dramas. Example, corona, about corona, how to reduce of the corona, some people doing of the skit. Like that is one of the like a video showing na, that whoever audience in sitting of the front of drama, the audience they will receive of the message. Oh, like this getting of corona. Okay, like this treatment giving to the nurses, giving to the another person. Like this, they will get to the good message in the drama time. That is like one of the mass communication. Here, main this is a generally identified with the tools of modern mass media. They'll easily identification of the good communication by the tools. What that main tools means like includes books, press meeting, cinema, television, radio, etc. Because in books also you can get the good message. Any stories is good stories means that time you're nicely studying, you can understanding of the related stories. And press meeting, in some people's conducting of the press meeting, that time also one of the mass communication. In press meeting means whatever is speaking in front of press, that time that matter whatever is speaking, that matter going to the another countries, and each persons in the TV also. In TV also you're showing up your faces, like this one of the mass communication. Cinema, television, radio, this and all also like a mass communication to the each all persons. And it is a means of conveying message to an entire populace. This message conveying to the entire populace. Wherever populace is there, automatic your message conveying to the all peoples. That is a mass communication. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Next topic, therapeutic impasses. Therapeutic impasses means in treatment situation term, how they have the patient and nurses behavior. Now we'll discuss definition. Therapeutic impasses are blocks in the progress of the NPR. NPR means nurse-patient relationship block. Because of why means that impasses provoke intense feelings in the both nurse and patient. The patient and in nurses also have the inside of the feelings, like abnormal feelings are different, have the some feelings. What that feelings means, which may range from the anxiety, apprehension means fear and anxiety, and frustration, love or intense angry. This undal having to the nurse and patient means that time you can't maintain the good relationship in the treatment time, and no have to the nurse patient relationship, because of whoever getting up angry, anxiety, frustration, fear, that time block of the nurse and patient relationship. That is a therapeutic impasses. Main here therapeutic impasses 5 types is there. First one resistance, second one transference, third one gift giving, fourth one counter transferation, fifth one boundary violence. Now we'll discuss resistance. See, main resistance is the patient's attempt to remain unaware of anxiety producing aspects within the self. How they're not maintaining of the relationship to the nurse and patient means because the patient main anxiety producing aspect within the self. The patient only selfly only they will producing of the anxiety. That's why that time nobody will maintaining of the good relation to the patient, good relation to the nurse, because of like that patient will blackly they will thinking differently, that time selfly only they will think like producing of more anxiety or anything. That's why they can't maintaining of the proper relationship in the treatment time. And next second one, transference. See, it is an unconscious response in the patient experience feelings and attitude. Whoever patient deeply experiencing of the about feelings and attitude. Example, I'm sitting alone, I'm thinking something. That time anybody coming and speaking with me means that time my body is unconscious. My body is a conscious, but I am thinking deeply. Na anybody calling me is like showing I'm like unconscious. That time here also because of these people's psychiatric patients also experiencely feelings attitude they're going to the deeply like a total like a unconscious responsely having to the particular person. That time you can't provide to the particular situation time treatment. And the nurse that were originally associated significant figures in the patient's early life, easily that nurse easily it can significant means that nurses easily you can identification of the figures. Figures means how they're doing of the activities, how they're sitting. This total you can observe in the early life to the patients. Mean that nurses total observing to the particular patient life, how they're doing, that how their figures and why they're responding like a unconscious. Like the total transparently they will information they will collecting of the about patients. That is a transference. Next, third one, gift giving. Main gift in relationship situation type, main gifting. But in case example, I am not speaking properly anyone student, any particular section. That section will think I will give gift for anyone madams. The madams will nicely will speak like that. You are thinking na that time like this year also. How to will maintain the communication to anyone or any person means gift also very useful of the maintain the good communication. Here, receiving a gift from the patients make a nurses to inhibit independent decision making and create a feeling of anxiety and guilt. Whatever patient giving to the gift to the nurses, that time you are, I won't take like that. You telling me the patient will get to the feeling. Yes or no, like why is she not taking like that? They will think that's why you immediately you can receive of the whatever gift from the patient independently, means dependingly decision making creative feeling. That time immediately your mind will change up the decision making like a feeling anxiety guilty feeling you can get to the nurses like this in gift giving time. That's why whenever patients giving gift to the nurses, that nurses will get the sometimes feelings and anxiety and guilty feeling also. That is a gift giving. Next, counter transference. Counter transference means related qualities of the patient. Main, it is a therapeutic emphasis, means treatment situation created by the nurse. Main particular situation only created of the nurse only. That is, nurse, it refers to the nurse's specific response generated by the qualities of the patient. That nurse main referring to the what means about qualities of the patient. Means what main qualities of the patient. Means particular patient, each person, different psychiatric patients have in the hospital. In different patient qualities also that nurses will refer to the and transferring to the family members or another hospital. like this have to the patient problem. That's why we are sending to the another hospital. Like that count on transferring. Whatever have the patient qualities that matter or anything, you can transfer to the another person or another nurse. That is a main counter transference. And last one, boundary violence. Boundary violence means like a limits. Some people's crossing of the limits, nicely speaking, and over actually doing. That is not a good manner in the treatment time. Here, boundary violence means it occurs when a nurse goes outside the boundaries of the therapeutic relationship and establishes a socially, economically, personal relationship with the patient. Whatever you have, whatever limits means you have any problem, anything. Nurses have the any problem, anything that is a none of to the in the hospital areas. We can provide the care to the in socially, economically, we can encourage to the persons, and personally we can maintain the good relation to the patient. Example, I have so many example. I have the some problem. That problem I want to show to the any students. Otherwise, that problem I want to show to my friends. That is not a good manner to the showing of the any problem in the particular inside. That whatever you have the problem, you can nicely you can speak to the nurses to the each everyone in the hospital areas. That is a boundary violence. Boundary violence also very important. Like a we can limit only don't cross of the limits. That is a boundary violence. In case in case outside only I will speak nicely, I will maintain the relation with the patient. That is a main nurse boundary violence. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Boys,
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
anybody have doubt? Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, count on translation. Please repeat, ma'am.
Okay.
Count on translation. Yes.
Okay. Okay, main here counter transferring means first of all you can observe the patient feelings, problems, whatever having to the otherwise the patient have any problem with they will show up the reactions. I have this problem like this showing to the nurses. That nurses related feelings, related problem only that nurses will provide of the treatment. That is a counter transferring. Like see, transfer here, it is a therapeutic emphasis created by the nurse. It refers to the nurse's specific response generated by the qualities of the patient. What have the qualities of the patient, related patient? Just you can, nurses will respond to the about patient problem. Like whatever qualities, whatever goals, aims, any emotions, problems, any feelings, whatever they have means immediately they will sharing to the nurses. That nurses related patient problem you can transfer to the therapist, like a treatment you can provide to the patient related problem. That is a counter transference mode.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Then nobody have doubts. Waste fellows boys, nobody will respond.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Okay, Subrata Burman. Okay, okay, nothing, nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing, nothing.